Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. First, understand that this versatile gel offers many benefits for your skin and hair. It's known for its cooling and hydrating properties, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. We'll cover various applications, from soothing sunburns to moisturizing dry patches, ensuring you get the most out from this natural product. Let's dive into the best ways to incorporate it. For skin relief, simply take a pea-sized amount of the gel and gently spread it over the affected area. Its natural cooling effect provides immediate comfort, especially after sun exposure or minor irritations. You can reapply it 2 or 3 times a day as needed. Remember, a little goes a long way to calm and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and smooth. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great tips. Speaking of keeping things fresh, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like aloe keeps your skin feeling great. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To maximize the benefits of your Mint Aloe Vera gel, consider keeping it in the fridge. The chilled gel offers an even more invigorating and soothing experience, perfect for hot days or inflamed skin. Always ensure your skin is clean before applying. For optimal hydration, use it daily as part of your morning or evening skincare routine. This simple step can significantly improve your skin's overall health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.